The construction industry, often perceived as traditional, is undergoing a profound transformation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing how buildings and infrastructure are designed, built, and managed. From optimizing designs to enhancing safety on construction sites, AI is poised to revolutionize every facet of the construction process. This essay explores the multifaceted ways AI is reshaping the construction industry. We will delve into specific AI applications and their impact on efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Join us as we journey from the drawing board to the finished structure, witnessing the transformative power of AI in action. The integration of AI into construction is not merely a technological advancement, it represents a paradigm shift. By automating tasks, providing insightful data analysis, and enhancing collaboration, AI empowers construction professionals to work smarter, faster, and safer. This evolution promises to address some of the industry's long-standing challenges, ushering in a new era of efficiency and innovation. The design and planning phase of a construction project lays the foundation for its success. AI is transforming this crucial stage by introducing tools that optimize designs, improve collaboration, and enhance decision-making. One of the most impactful applications of AI in design is generative design. This technology allows architects and engineers to input specific parameters, such as building materials, budget limitations, and environmental regulations. AI algorithms then generate multiple design options that meet these requirements. AI also plays a crucial role in building information modeling, or BIM, creating dynamic three-dimensional models that go beyond visualization. These models integrate data from various sources, enabling clash detection, cost estimation, and scheduling simulations with unprecedented accuracy. This data-driven approach empowers stakeholders to make informed decisions early on, reducing costly rework and delays later in the project lifecycle, and ensuring projects stay on track. Wearable technology such as smart helmets and vests equipped with AI-powered sensors can detect unsafe conditions and alert workers in real time. These devices can also monitor worker fatigue, vital signs, and location, providing valuable data for preventing accidents and ensuring worker well-being. Section 5. Meets all specifications. Section 6. The human element, AI, and the construction workforce. The rise of AI in construction raises questions about its impact on the workforce. While some fear job displacement, the reality is more nuanced. AI is not replacing construction workers, it is augmenting their capabilities and creating new opportunities. As AI takes over repetitive and physically demanding tasks, construction workers can focus on more specialized and higher-value roles that require creativity, problem-solving, and human interaction. This shift in skills demand will require upskilling and retraining programs to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. Furthermore, AI can enhance collaboration and communication on construction sites. Real-time data accessible through mobile devices can empower workers with the information they need to make informed decisions. This improved communication and transparency can lead to greater efficiency, reduced errors, and a more cohesive work environment. reduce a building's carbon footprint over its life cycle. Section 8. A glimpse into the future construction in the age of AI. The future of construction is intertwined with the continued advancements in AI. As AI technology matures, we can anticipate even more transformative applications that will reshape the industry in profound ways. One exciting prospect is the development of fully autonomous construction sites, where robots and drones collaborate to complete projects with minimal human intervention. While still in its early stages, this concept has the potential to revolutionize construction speed, safety, and efficiency. Another area of ongoing research is the development of AI-powered exoskeletons that can augment human strength and endurance. These exoskeletons could enable workers to perform physically demanding tasks with greater ease and reduce the risk of injuries, further enhancing safety and productivity on construction sites. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the AI revolution in construction. The integration of AI into the construction industry is not a question of if, but when. The benefits of AI in terms of increased efficiency, enhanced safety, improved sustainability, and reduced costs are undeniable. Embracing this technological revolution is no longer optional. It is essential for construction companies to remain competitive and thrive in the evolving landscape. As we have explored, AI is transforming every stage of the construction process from design to completion. By automating tasks, providing insightful data analysis, and enhancing collaboration, AI empowers construction professionals to work smarter, faster, and safer. The future of construction belongs to those who are willing to adapt and embrace the transformative power of AI. By fostering a culture of innovation and investing in the necessary skills and technologies, the construction industry can unlock a new era of efficiency, sustainability, and progress, building a better future for all.